flight crew, pleased to be the first to welcome you to Chuuk. The local time here is approximately 9:35 a.m. We will be taxiing for the next few moments. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete and safe stop at the gates and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. If you are leaving us here in Chuuk today, please remember to check around your immediate seating area, seat pockets, and overhead compartments for all of your personal belongings. Please take caution when opening the over bins, as its contents may have shifted during the course of our flight and landing. For passengers transiting onto Ponape, Kwajalein, Majuro, and Honolulu with us today, we ask that you please remain on board. Please refrain from smoking in the cabin. Ground time here, approximately 30 minutes. On behalf of Continental Micronesia, our Sky Team partners, most especially your in-flight crew, I'd like to thank you for flying with us today. We do hope you enjoy your stay here in Chuuk, or a safe and pleasant journey to the city or island of your next destination. Thank you once again. Have a pleasant day.